we are going to teach you how to solve any standard 3x3 Rubik's Cube. The first step is to scramble the cube. Next, we are going to pick a color to start with, in this case, white. Then our first objective is to make a plus with the white squares. However, this isn't as simple as it seems, as each middle section that is white also lines up with the corresponding side, either red, blue, orange, or green. Which piece goes where does matter here. Then the corners of the white sides are next. Again, each corner piece goes in a very specific spot. If it has blue and orange, it must go in the corner between the blue and orange sides. This step takes the most figuring out to do and will be hard to start. Some tips to help you out with solving the white side. Try not to rotate the top face because it will move the alignment of the sides. Really try to plan out where pieces will go. Sometimes randomly moving the piece can find its way there, but to master solving the cube, it won't help you much. Notice how each color on the side forms a T. This means you have aligned the pieces in the right spot. If not, you need to pull a piece out and try to move them around again. Now we are getting to the easier parts, which all involve some simple memorization. For this part, we are going to solve the second layer of each color sides. First, locate the correct middle piece to go in the second layer spot. Line this piece up so that it is on the left-hand side of the green. Then do this algorithm. Now the green and red piece is in the proper place. Here we do the same thing again with the red and blue piece. Now we are going to solve the yellow side. For this you need two different algorithms which are used depending on certain patterns. On the left there are patterns and how you should hold the cube for the three patterns. These are the three cases in which you use the first algorithm. On the right there are patterns for the second algorithm. Use these examples to follow which algorithm to use. Once the yellow side is completed, it is down to the last layer. Move the top layer to make a castle pattern if you can. If there is one side that is a castle, position to the left and use this algorithm. You might have to do this algorithm once or twice, but the cube should be solved when it's finished. Here are some additional tips to help you master the technique. After each different section, pause the video and practice scrambling the cube and going back to everything you have previously learned from the beginning. Keep doing that until you master that part, then learn the next part, and so on. If you practice enough, you can solve this using memory muscle alone.